Hi, all. My name is Ryan Van Veen, and I am a middle school language arts teacher at Sacred Heart School, where I have been for the past 9 years. I teach sixth grade language and seventh grade language and seventh grade reading. And I am going to show just a very basic example of how to post a graded assignment that I would post in a normal situation in my classroom. In fact, I'm going to post an assignment that I used last spring. It was actually a quiz on prepositions, and it'll be a graded assignment with a due date, and making a copy for each student, which is a lesson I learned the hard way the very first time I posted an assignment, where I did not make a copy for each student, and it got a little bit hectic. So I'm going to show you here real quick. So the first thing I will do is I'll go to my classroom page, and I'm going to create a new assignment. And in this case, I'm going to name it prepositional phrases quiz, and type something really basic right there and a little bit more detailed in the actual assignment. From there, since this is already in a document that I have created as a Google Doc, I would click add, and I will upload it from my drive. And since this is something I was just looking at, I do know that it is right here. This is the first document that you see right there. This is my prepositional phrases quiz. Right now, the settings are students can view. I'm going to make a copy for each student so that they will all submit their own document, and I'm going to make it worth 26 points, and I'm going to set a due date of, call it September 16th. And from there, I'm going to assign it the topic of English. And that is all there is to it. And then once I click assign, it takes a little bit of time. And then in this case, it just happens to be the very first thing at the top of their classroom page. It is the most current document I have shared. And so this is how it will appear. It lists the due date right here. If I wanted to make some changes, if I needed to edit it, delete it, move it around, there are options right here simply by clicking on the three buttons, the three dots, and it is pretty basic stuff. So that is actually an example of something that I do on a daily basis. Very, very simple. That doesn't mean I don't make mistakes, but usually it's pretty easy to fix on Classroom. It's pretty handy. So hopefully that's something pretty basic for you guys as well. Otherwise, hopefully this helps.